Today, I would like to tell you a new story about canola. I'm pretty sure that maybe in the morning you had fried eggs, and you did this or fried your eggs using canola. But what if I tell you that you can actually eat canola? Well, canola is not only oil. As you can see on the slide, actually, the composition of canola is 38% to 43% of oil, 27 to 30% of protein, and 16 to 18% of fiber. So the key point is here protein. We can actually obtain protein from canola. You notice that this is a high level of protein, which is actually a little bit lower than soybean. Unfortunately, in the current processing of extraction of oil from canola, this protein goes to waste. And at the best, sometimes it is used to feed animals, but only cows or ruminants. Why? The question is, why only cows? Well, also, canola has a high content of fiber, which is hard to digest by other kind of animals. So if we can remove this, we can use it to feed other animals. All right, how can we do that? Is that possible? Yes, actually it is challenging because of the characteristics of the seed. However, it's possible. Actually, in my research, we have proposed a novel method to do this. So the first thing we do to canola is some preconditioning. We add heat, moisture, so we modify the physical properties of canola, as we can see in the preconditioning part of my slide. That picture of canola is an X-ray picture, and we can see that there are some gaps created between the shell and the kernel. So usually canola is very tight, and it's hard to remove that hole. Why we want to remove the hole? Well, all the fiber that we want to remove is actually concentrated in that shell of the seed. So after preconditioning, we can separate the hole from the kernel to protect the kernel and don't lose oil. Then we use a mechanical method, which is shear. So we apply opposite forces and we can crack the seed. So this way, we can produce seeds without a shell that we can extract oil, and then we can also obtain protein. So my research project is focused on finding and optimizing the best method to dehull canola, to remove that shell, to remove that fiber, so that we can create food that can be used for humans, for fish, for swine, for poultry. And this way we can close the gap of the demand of food and the growing population that we have. So maybe next time when you have your breakfast in the future, it's not only gonna be eggs, but maybe a piece of bread made out of canola. Thank you.